Okay, for today, I'll be talking about my review on the article that was entitled Unveiling the Fascinating Japanese Car Culture. This article is basically talk about how the car culture in Japan grow from zero to hero. So I'm actually choosing this article because I myself is a car fan. Means I'm a big fanboy of car. I really like cars and I will be choosing this as my article. This article is focusing on how this culture grow from the small community to a big community that has been spread all over the world, including Malaysia. And this article is literally focusing on how Japan managed to make a really high-tech and car, make a car that has a beautiful cut edge body, cut edge design, a high technology and reliable engine. And they literally made it within, I think it's about within 1 to 2 years. They managed to improve the engine from the weak engine to the strongest engine in the world. There are three main events about this, which is number one is drifting. Drifting is some kind of driving skills that manage to they intentionally oversteering their cars and let it slide and skid around the corner of the track. And this kind of driving skill require so much patience, and it also requires so much practice that makes it one of work of art. And not many, but there are also bunch of drifters that has managed to do some so many different drifting skills that are really hard. And for the second main event is car meets and show. This event is eventually focusing on people. They are gathering all the car enthusiasts from all over Japan and maybe all over the world to come and gather their cars and showing off their build. Means they build their car and they'll be showing off at the car meets and greets. And it is not only focusing on showing off the cars, but also it was meant to gather, to build a community of car enthusiasts, and it also meant to strengthen the relationship or bond between all car enthusiasts. And moreover, I think that there's something that I kinda don't like about it is it only mention only a few events, and there also doesn't mention the main character of Japanese car culture, which is the one that makes the car culture in Japan go boom, big. For the people whom I mentioned is Smoky Nagata. Smoky Nagata is one of the car influence, one of the pioneer to be in the car culture. He managed to build a car that has over 1,000 horsepower, and he also tested on the England highway and get a top speed of 300 km/h. and that what makes it popular, and that make the Japanese car culture been popular around the world. And for the event, I think they can add the JTCC, which is Japanese Car Touring Championship, which is an event for only Japanese car manufacturers. It's a Super GT class for racing. And another main event that can be added is Toge, which is basically a hill climb racing at the Mount Akina, famous at Japan. And they literally do this when night. The event always take place at night, and the most popular place is the Mount Akina. After that, I think that I can, in my opinion, for this article is very good for encouraging people to explore about Japanese car culture, or JDM, the Japanese domestic market car culture. It is for me. I really enjoy reading this article because me myself is a really big car fan, and this article also can make you feel like you are at the Japan yourself. The article itself brought you to Japan to feel what it felt, how to feel the joy of being one of the car culture in Japan. And for the rating, I will give 5 out of 5 because how the storytell of the article and how the information got into my head, and also the words are all so smooth and recognizable. Yeah, and that's all for me. Thank you, and I'll be done.